Today's topic, the cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system, also known as circulatory system, is responsible for transporting blood, oxygen, nutrients, and hormones and waste products throughout the body. It consists for hearts, blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries and bloods. Uh, some key points of cardiovascular system. First is heart, the central organ of the cardiovascular system. The heart pump bloods through the body. It has four chambers: two atrium, upper chamber, right atrium, and left atrium, and two ventricles, lower chamber, right ventricles and left ventricles. Uh, and The heart right side pump deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenated pulmonary circulation, while the left side pump oxygen rich blood to the rest of the body. Systemic circulation and uh, blood vessel, blood vessel, blood vessel. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the body, except for the pulmonary arteries, which carry deoxygenated bloods to the lungs. Veins. Veins returns Veins return deoxygenated blood back to the heart, except for the pulmonary veins, which carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Next, capillaries, tiny blood vessels that connect arteries and veins, facilitating the exchanging of oxygen, nutrition, and waste between the blood and tissue. And next is blood, uh, composed of a plasma, the liquid part, red blood cell, which carry oxygen, white blood cell, which fight infections, and platelets, which aid the clotting. And then circulatory pathways. Circulatory pathways, pulmonary circulation carries blood, carry blood between the hearts and lungs. Deoxygenated blood is pumped from the right ventricle to the lungs. Where is peak of oxygen and release carbon dioxide, then return to the left atrium. Systematic circulation. Systematic circulation distribute oxygenated blood from the left ventricles to the rest of the blood and return deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. Uh, Functions of cardiovascular system. Oxygen and nutrient transport delivers oxygen and essential nutrient to the tissue. uh, Waste removal carries carbon dioxide and metabolic waste products to the excreted. And then hormones distribution transport hormones to target the organs and tissue. Immune system support help circulate white blood cells and other immune component. And then temperature regulation distribute heat across the body and help maintain homeostasis. Then that is a function of cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system is vital for the sustaining life, as it ensures that cells receive the necessary nutrients and oxygen while removing waste products. Disorders of this system, like hypertension and heart disease, can signifying impact health. That is a conclusion. The cardiovascular system is essential for the sustaining life, by the continuously delivering oxygen, nutrition, and hormones while removing wastage, and its interact network of the hearts, blood vessels, and blood ensure that every cells in the body function optimally. Maintaining cardiovascular health is crucial for the overall well-being, and understanding its a mechanism uh, help help us appreciate the importance of a lifestyle choice, early detection, and proper treatment of cardiovascular systems and conditions.